Today we have a fairly common issue, a continuously running toilet in the hospital. As seen here, it is imperative to your repair that you begin by shutting off the water supply to the toilet. We will begin by removing this top cap off of the unit. Please do not laugh at the tool I used, as somebody stole my channel locks, but it's partially my fault because I left it out. Once you have removed your cap, you will have access to the diaphragm. You will then remove the diaphragm, tidy up a little bit before you add the new diaphragm. This new diaphragm is a fairly common Sloan replacement. Try to match up the GPF or gallons per flush with the old one if you have a newer toilet. Usually it's high efficiency and uses a lower GPF. You will drop in the new diaphragm. You will tighten your cap and don't forget to turn the water on slowly before you test. You'll want to flush, check for any leaks, see how long the water runs, and of course the best method for testing is to sit on that toilet and try it out for yourself. Let's see what's next.